Zero-touch Pitbull alarm installation 1 to 3 and success. We will explain how to easily install the device without visiting the customer. Device can be sent directly from shop to customer, or if additional wireless devices will be paired, we could advise to prepare and configure device before sending to customer. We will instruct on each step to ease up the process for installer and customer. Let's start from installer part. Instructions for installer. You have received the device. What's next? Connect Pitbull Pro to ELDES Security and let's prepare the device by configuring it and pairing the wireless devices. Dashboard section. Inspect if non-system faults are displayed. If any of the faults are displayed, please read the description, it will help to solve it. Activate service mode. It will ensure no audible alarms will be generated during wireless device pairing. If ELDES utility is used for the first time, we could advise to use step-by-step guide. It will ease up the process of installation. Let's proceed to user section. According to customer demands, add new users. Phone numbers are necessary to allow customer arm and disarm by phone, and user codes for possibility to control system via ELDES Security app. If not altered, settings will make sure all phone users get SMS notifications about most important system events like arming and disarming. If customer will use non-standard ones, then notification settings may be easily altered. Change default SMS code to secure system. It will not be allowed to save configuration without altering this parameter. Device configuration can be protected by changing installer code. It will ensure no one can access configuration without knowing installer code. Next is peripheral devices section. Firstly, enable wireless mode. Let's pair all wireless devices to Pitbull Pro. Maximum amount is 16 devices. Let's pair firstly EWD3 wireless window and door sensor. Open device case to reach battery compartment. Remove spacer from the battery. After spacer is removed, wireless device should appear in peripheral device list. It will be ready to be paired. Press on icon on device and add button will appear. Press add and wait for several moments. Information about successful adding will be showed. EWP3 Pet Immune Wireless Motion Sensor. Open device case to reach battery compartment. Remove spacer from the batteries. After spacer are removed, wireless device should appear in peripheral device list. It will be ready to be paired. Press on the icon of the device and add button will appear. Press add and wait for several moments. Information about successful adding will be showed. Additional devices can be paired similarly. For more information of configuration examples and instructions, we advise you to look for them in ELDES Global Academy. It's a fantastic and most flexible way of learning more about ELDES products. You will see a QR code, you can scan it or you can look in the comment section. Let's proceed to the zone section. We advise to change Zone 1 name to precisely represent securing location. It is PIR sensor zone, which will cause an alarm if movement is detected in secured location. All paired devices will be showed in one section as well. Assign zone names according to installation plan. Put the stickers of the zone names on the devices. Optionally, duplicate the sticker on the box of the device as well. Box sticker may contain number which will guide client to open boxes in correct order, starting from the Pitbull Alarm Pro first. Next, we have a cloud services. Enabling cloud services will allow ELDES Security app to control the device. It provides great benefits of tracking system status, temperature and have a possibility to instant arm disarm the system. More information how to set up ELDES Security in description below. Things to remember. Do not forget to write settings after each step and most importantly at the end of the configuration. We advise to save backup configuration file just in case any information will be forgotten later on. It may be used as a reminder for customer if they have any questions. Make sure to update to newest firmware version by sending SMS photo command. Test the device. Testing will ensure the device is fully prepared to be sent to customer. Arm device and test it by initiating alarms from sensors. Pack the device for transportation. Devices should be transported without batteries, or stock spacers between battery and the contacts should be left for transportation. Instruction for customer. Customer received the device. What's next? Device unboxing. Let's open up the box. Firstly, we have a manual. Manual includes information about the device and there is quick start wizard. It helps you in the installation process. It will be no headache with it. Secondly, we have a device itself. And lastly, there is a power supply. And we have a mounting screws with the bracket. Let's prepare the device. Open up the case. We have two SIM card slots, primary SIM card slot and the secondary one. We will need the first one. Insert the SIM card to the primary one. Make sure SIM card has a PIN code disabled and calls, SMS, GPS data is enabled on that card. Next, the user has to power up the device. And make sure to connect the backup battery as well. Device mounting can be performed by two ways. Before mounting the device to designated area, please inform installer that the device is powered up and ready to be connected. Now installer will connect remotely to configure the device. Installer may have additional instructions, so be prepared. After configuration is finished, device is ready to be mounted. Let's mount the device on the wall. Appropriate position should be agreed with an installer before mounting. Don't forget that PIR sensor should not be facing the window. It may cause false alarms. Most importantly, the device should be mounted to its position, which allows the device to have clear vision of the area. Check the manual to ensure perfect mounting position. If room is rectangular, then the corner of the room will be suitable for mounting. Double-sided adhesive tape should be pre-applied. If not, other mounting methods can be used. Surface should be degreased before mounting. It will ensure perfect bonding. Connect the power supply and let's proceed to the device mounting. Mount the device to the wall. Just a quick tip to make wire almost invisible. It may be easily attached to the wall by applying small pieces of double-sided adhesive tape. It will allow to hold wire in the perfectly straight line. When installer is connected remotely, it is time to unbox other peripheral devices. To find out more about these device mounting, we provide links in the video description. These videos will contain information about window and door magnetic sensor, wireless motion sensor, and other device mounting. Each device has its unique model name by which it can be found in a description. Test of the device. The test procedure is an important part of teaching the customer how to use the system. Instruct customer how to arm-disarm the system using preferred way. Cause an alarm in armed system to show and practice how it will perform during alarm. If received notifications are as expected, then we are almost done. If not, make sure to change configuration to match expected result. Congratulations! It is done. Don't miss the opportunity to present additional devices which may be paired remotely to Pitbull Pro. System may be expanded with the smoke or flood detection to secure property and people inside. Thank you. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you liked the video and press subscribe button to receive notifications about our new videos.